OpenAI has introduced three new GPT 5.6 models, and each one is built for a completely different purpose. So, which model should you actually use? In the next few minutes, I'll explain GPT 5.6, Sol, Terra, and Luna. I'll be what makes each of them unique and which one is the best choice depending on your needs. Think of them as different tools designed for different jobs. One focuses on maximum intelligence. Another balances performance and cost, while the third prioritizes speed and efficiency. GPT 5.6 Sol is the flagship model. It's designed for the most demanding workloads, including advanced coding, scientific research, strategic planning, long-form writing, and complex reasoning. If you want the highest quality responses and maximum intelligence, Sol is the model to choose. It's the powerhouse for those who cannot compromise on accuracy or depth. Terra is designed for everyday productivity. It provides an excellent balance, addition between intelligence, speed, and operating cost. This makes it ideal for marketers, educators, all main-pro businesses, content creators, and professionals who use AI throughout the day. Terra is your reliable daily driver for almost any professional task. Luna is optimized for speed and efficiency. It's built for chatbots, customer support, mobile applications, voice assistants, and large-scale automation. While it may not provide the deepest reasoning of Sol, it delivers fast responses at a much lower operating cost. Luna is for when you need answers instantly and at scale. So which model should you choose? Let's break it down one more time. If you need the smartest AI available, choose Sol. If you're looking for the best balance between performance and cost, Terra is the ideal option. And if speed and scalability matter most, Luna is the perfect choice. The future of AI isn't about one model doing everything. It's about choosing the right model for the right task. Which GPT 5.6 model would you choose? Sol, Terra, or Luna? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy AI news, tutorials, and practical guides, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI content.